Hello, today I'm at Kirby Commercials on the Alcester Road at Portway, and I'm showing you a nice little 2010 ISUZU Rodeo. This is one of the only vehicles you'll find like this within the price range of $3,000 to $13,000. So in that case, it's slightly rare. It's a 2.5 intercooler, 2.5 turbo diesel engine, which makes it nippy and not the most economical, but is a good vehicle. As you can see, it has very adjustable seating and adjustable steering. Let's start it up. Very nice. It's a 5-speed manual. It comes with radio and storage space around the cabin. It's got ISUZU's quite built up steering wheel, which is 4-spoke, with ISUZU's badge in the middle of it. It's quite a beefy steering wheel, but it has grips on the back for comfortability. Sorry about that. Turn on the lights. The hazards. Don't think there's that much left in there. I'll show you the exterior and the loading space. It's a nice, almost metallic grey, and you can see the full spring suspension, and only 29,000 miles. Not bad. It has a rear cover, leather-like, to protect your cargo at the back, as well as a rear step for easy access. Easy to open by these two handles, and you just simply unlatch it, and then it opens. This is an option which you can take off, but it's quite good as it protects from horrible rain. It's a large loading space and can carry long items, and has a 1-ton gross weight, so can also carry heavy items. That's it for today. If you like this video or would like to see some more of our stock, press like, leave a comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.